Happy Sunday! What's up? What kind of meat I cook? What cook 2, 3, 4 meat? I have some people can't do without cook 1, 2 or 3, 4 meat on a Sunday, you know. Yes, man. But who cook beef, who cook chicken, who cook pork, who cook curry goat, who cook fish, who cook shrimp, who cook lobster, who cook veggie chunks, who does a cook vegetable? Something is cooking. What is cooking? Anyway, what's up? Blessed Sunday to one and all churchgoers, all Christian, all backsliders, and all worldlian. Bless up yourself, whatever part of the world where you're there. Just don't be a hater, a bad mind, and a jealous person of a people's success. Alright? Well, this welcome to the Sunday matinee. You don't know me have to find something going on whether me in the mood or not. Because you don't know, Sunday is normally a family day, despite a lot of you still have to go to work. Alright. But whatever work most of you do, 90% of you on a Sunday, if you even work, your work kind of scale down or you work less hours. Alright? So you never want something to keep on a company and keep on a lively. So easy to do. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please remember to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And please remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Pin. Give her a subscription. The Cash App is also there. $, Charms and Trends. Just go over Charms and Trends and also support business pages on Instagram. Charmed _and_ trends. That's CHARMED _AND_ trends. TRENDS. And you can go right on the website charmedandtrends.shop. But if you go on Instagram, you can just drop in the DM for any other information that you want or information. You understand? You understood, or you undersit, or if you want to walk, no problem. Right? And anything where you see on the Instagram page, you can get it to your liking. Your name, any fancy way you want your name, any color, your picture, your birthday, picture, your husband, your wife, your child, your favorite sports logo, you get it. One nation stands alone. Tomorrow, people, you will see that video after you see this video, because I doubt I will post another video on this channel tomorrow. Probably you just get one video just like yesterday, because yesterday I did not in the mood to give a second video. But I really did have some thoughts of doing a second video, because I see something happen on a platform and I don't want to come out here come talk, and I just never have that courage to do another video yesterday. Not the courage, but the zest to do another video yesterday. And since night, just before I do this video, I was going through, strolling through YouTube, because I sleep most of the day yesterday. Wifey hold me down all day yesterday most of the time, because I didn't have any business plans and move to do. So I just decided to I stay home and sleep. So good that I did do that video that you get Saturday from Friday night, because most of my morning video I did them from the night before. So after going through social media, something that pops up in my thought, I've seen the Portlander. You know, me is not a man I go for the fine details. Me just dissect out when me a dissect out and just show the truth. But certain things you might want to show the evidence where I might do if I have to show the evidence. But you know, you have people do them things different on social media. So I see where the Portlander do something that I was saying the same thing, but it's just that the Portlander go for the file and sharp the machine, sharp. So I go whiz, and go through the grass trim off. Where I see Curly come out and muggle with bag, watch. As a matter of fact, I get caught up on the whole thing on the Portlander channel. As I say, I go through, but when I go through, I see our channel, I scroll up on our channel, come up and I see a watch. So when I see the watch, I say, no sir, this is almost all about XYZ. So when I look down on the title, I say, what this now, father? So I start listening. And the same thing when me say, she come out, but she go for the proof. And them say the proof is in the pudding. Because Missy Curly come out, and this is not the main video, you know, people. The main video is about Dwayne. Only just give me a little time. Missy Curly come out and she a show a bag, how much for it. She a show a watch, how much for it. She a show a cologne, she a show how much for it. And she a tell a big price and the cologne and the things that she buy a big name. Because she like to say everything she buy. When you see she come a boss, she always, yes, when she buy a little cheap something that I don't know name, she don't tell you about them, you know. But she don't tell you the name. And she don't tell you how much she pay for it most time. Very rare. When she know the things cannot hide. Or she know say it might down at Burlington where everybody might see it. She will come out and say, $20, I pay for this, because she knows she said $40. Somebody go and say, no, it down at Burlington for $20. But anyway, when she name all these top price and something, you have to myself now, Curly, come on. One, I go to knock off. And if I even a knock off, two, Curly, a sale time now. Everybody a try sell out for restock back for the Christmas. Plus, we know how foreign settings still. Them now have to wait for the things in the store for a certain time, then put it on sale. Based on my understanding. If I lie, me I tell you, not tell me in the comment section. So I was saying, Curly, come on, man. You now go buy now watch it $450. Because she come and she said, watch $450. The Curly, I'll show you something. I come out here and show off. Curly, this watch was bought for me about 3 years ago. Birthday. And no, me not put it on, Curly. Look on it. Because you come and talk about watch. See the Curly? I mean, I have to go buy something look like I not have to make nobody buy nothing look like a gold. See the Curly? I know it not put on 3 years ago and it's still working. I make sure I draw out the stem for the battery not dead. See that? Brand new same here Curly. 3 years ago. See that? Somebody bought me for my birthday. And it's still here Curly. So Curly, when you come and muggle with things on social media, some little comment something, it only proves that you just want to size up with people who can afford to go shopping on a daily and an hourly basis. Because what you are doing here, you know, because you see such women that go shop so often, you are trying to prove to the public, say you can shop too. And then through the people they talk about your little synthetic ear them, you claim to say you go buy human ear, $250 for this. All these things did not cost you the full price for it. Because you now buy nothing. Whether a name brand or it depend price. You now buy pan price. You are wait till it drop pan sale. We know you. You have proved that. You not buy nothing for the price. If this come down today yourself for X money and you want it, you now buy it. You keep your eye on it until the day you pass the store every day. Just to see it gone on sale. Before you buy it. And then you come out and know to it have names. See this one. Yes. You buy it, but I sale you buy it, but you never buy it when it's fresh and just come down on a whole price. You buy it when everybody a change out from that and go to something else. All because you want to buy it pan sale. And people, just as somebody that think and in a one little feelings to come to the video, but as I say, I don't have that zest there to do the video. When me I go through since night, Portlander break down everything. All the bag the woman go search for it look like and find the bag, the exact bag. Where Curly said she pay, how much she said she paid for that bag? Like $200. Or she so I remember. And I must the bag must be on sale for 100 and little bit. Or yeah, supposed to 100. But whether or not how much it depends on sale for a sale. Everything where you see Curly come and show a watch, bag. What again? Everything pan that video when you see Curly a show. I did already know some sale Curly go buy it pan. You notice when she a show you about, look. Sarah. See it your name brand, she never make you get to see the name. See the name tag here, you know. See it your name Louis Vuitton. Yeah man, see it your Gucci. She nah show you the name. She just a flash it in your eye, how you go see it. She goes a boom and she fix the price tag. See that? See that? And she now second the price tag for your seat. You get me answer to you? She not settling the price tag for you to see it. You come out here, you can show us a $500 feet. See that? $500 me pay feet. Or see there, it was $500 and it go on sale for $350. You can't flash things in a people eye like you take people for idiot. And just a talk out your mouth and want people to believe you. Move! The woman in Portland find every girl, all the cologne. She said she must pay $250 for the cologne, all the cologne. When the woman goes to fit, my sister the same buckle. We currently show fair cologne and the woman up on her screen. Big discounted cologne. Currently you're not buying nothing for the right price. You care you come out here and show all things expensive or big name thing. We know when you buy that and never the right price you pay for it. You can't fool nobody out here, Curly. We know how you stay. All them the area where you have on. You can't say them short and layer, them thin. If you go to a road, if you did that Florida in a Milton, you never want a tornado or no heavy breeze. You take off that off for your week. I see one like sitting upon TikTok where a man walk around with one of them sitting there you use and do. Like when instead of you rake up, you use it and you blow where they leave them. And every time a woman passes, you just go and push down her behind her head and it blow off the wig. You never want to do it so much power to take out the ear that we have on your head, Curly. Not to mention your wig them never sit down on your head good yet. You know, only notice when Curly have her wig gonna go take it off how easy it come off. She just go so. And it come off. Some woman have to go so and rest them and insert the ear under the wig or hold them and to take off the wig. Curly wig them coming like, you know them all time days people used to buy some, when you used to wear some certain wig and them just put it on like that them put on as a curly wig them stay. Right now that the wig the shop and Magdalene about very rare. The amount of layer that the wig the shorter. Eh? Not even Jamaican boilers no shorter so much layer. Alright, now we're the pan chicken strike. Chicken, what you call it? Not strike. What the name of it like when shortage, chicken shortage. And not even Jamaica boilers no shorter layer so. Like how your ear from your head shorter layer. Go move from here and go. People, before I get into this doing thing, I can find something there. There is a post. I can just find it and show the people. Give me a second, please and thanks. Oh boy. Just because I can't get sitting for Sunday, you know. I should have sleep already. I decided to retire early to bed. There is a post. May I show you how these people stay alive. And then when them come and mess around people and do them things, them shield behind, you know, like they are these innocent persons. And let them play the victim every day. And it's the same stuff people that me I talk about, you know. And I like so we are go around to go book up on some different set of people. The same set of people that we are play a victim every day. That God said. Every day. All I can find this before I make the time I run out. Alright people. I'm going to read two posts here. One of them naturally is not the platform that it is on. Is the platform who will write it. But before I read this so, make a write. I see that. This is from Rum Pop-Up Cake Lab. Alright. The audacity of monsters advertising nonsense while using cancer awareness to facilitate a line their pockets. No, I can read again. The audacity of monsters advertising nonsense while using cancer awareness to facilitate and line their pocket when they were the same ones who trolled my child and used her for content during her chemo ordeal. Remember now, because Dana put on the brunch whole pink thing, this is why she write this. And I am sure Dana wasn't somebody who were trolling her daughter. But this is just to show you how they stay. Them just feel like say, you know, no matter what happen out here, it's just Dana. And they know in themselves say, the woman not a control over me or nobody out here. But they just use these things to call the woman name, to get the woman involved, for them to get attention. Because them know from them said Dana, them are going to get attention. You understand? Them know that. Because them know the plank them are going to run out. So they will get attention. But how much do the attention benefits you? At the end of the day, you know, at that you're supposed to think on, you know, how well does the attention benefits you? It not benefit you. It only make you worse off in a life, Tina. Yes, man, it only make you worse off in a life. We are going to move on to our next thing. Before we go any further with the video. Boy, me I talk too much, you know. Alright, this video now. This post is on Curly page. Listen to what she said. I want her to tell me now. Listen to how well orchestrated this post is. See that? Alright. I see it on her page, but I can't go on her page because I use a phone there. And I did a screenshot it already on this. Kingston 13. I have had enough of advocating for the underprivileged, as you won't receive funds until the 21st. I receive weekly bank deposit, making me the winner and you the loser. Your son has passed while mine lives, showing there's still room for changes. When you mention your black book, remember action can be reversed but not bullet consequence. You could not protect your son. Don't discuss mine. Take a seat. Your words are nonsense. I want to feel like Sir Curly could articulate this and write it. No. And this is what me I say. You have these people out here behind the scenes who fuel these set of people. That them come to the stage where them all write articles for them to be posts. Tell them what to say. But yet still, when they sit on the side and do that with who they love, when me, she or the old lady come out here and do just the same towards them for who we love, these are the same set of people who fuel them. Come out here in your comment, in that they comment this or this and say all kind of things. Because this is clear that this is not Curly right this. Curly not have them your type of knowledge ya to put this together like this. But I just saw it set up. Anyway, make we get in one video with Dewiesha. I wonder how long this video I go do. I'm going to do less talking in this video, you know, people. Yes, just to make it not go over too much. But Dewiesha come out here, people, and him coming like him sound cross-thread in that video. Yeah. After Dewiesha do such a good video yesterday, I can't believe him come out here cross-thread in this one. Because you sound cross-thread in this one. You talk a few things and that's why I say cross-thread. Because you talk a few things and then you say another thing and it does sound like a cross-thread. You know, like when you screw up a bolt and it cross-thread, so you find say it can't go no further. Because it cross-thread, yeah. After such a beautiful video yesterday, or a beautiful live, you come out here cross-thread. Anyway, him come out here and he make a wish. And him wish is, for these name, him wish them could have come off of social media. T-Dog, Big Cow Curly, Portlander, 360, and the Lizard. Him wish them could have just come off of social media. But in the same breath, it's like him come out here after what him say with the video yesterday, and in between this video, him still has said some of the things them, but at the same time, it's like him a beat the Portlander for what she a do towards Curly. But in the same video, him a put down Curly certain way. So as me I say, it's like him cross-trade, but definitely it's like him intention was to come out here against the Portlander. Because with all the name when him call him, wish he come off of social media, you know. One time I say, okay, I'm going to put 360 aside. Because I don't hear him come out here every day cussing people, but I want to put him, and him just nail the arm, take the arm and just beat the nail down at Portland. So basically it coming like the Portland that come out here for. So you don't hear him. As I say, I'm going to do less talking because I don't want this video run too long. I'll do a Sunday when we have enough time to watch on the Martini. Because Sunday Martini.
I did not come out here seeking no war with anyone before going at anything.
If you have a call up people name, we expect people to come back at you.
W-A-R with anyone, right? I am not. But somebody have to talk. Me have to talk.
Speak my mind.
Why should I not talk?
One nation. Run the support charms and trends.
I am gonna speak. Where are my little girl? I'm a few little girls in Ghana. Where in Ghana? Don't watch it. Listen, obsession is a disease.
Even yes, sir. Make me say him cross trade.
That must be eradicated.
Because if you are going to say this, the way that's about Curly, me are sitting to play at one part of the video with Curly. I'm going to tell you if she's not obsessed.
What do I mean by that? You know, for the longest time, many of us sat back and watched. Oh God, I'm gonna stop. But now let me.
I don't know. Are the regular white one?
Let me take out the people in the name. I just saw someone comment last year. I will take out their names. I will take out the people that name. Actually, no, I'm not taking out their names. I'm not taking out their names.
Not smoking.
Obsession is a disease.
We not smoke and we not drink. We drink occasionally, just a little tat, you know.
You know, for far too long, many of us
occasionally,
have
occasionally is rare.
Right? And watch people do the most. You know, I'm gonna say, no day that go by where I don't see one person, one person, let's focus on one person specific, don't get up every day and put caca eye in their caption. Is that obsession? It is. Very obsessed. I know the funny part about this thing. I know that they're gonna curse me. I know. Barbara, what's up? Darling, tell me something. It better them do something them never do before. Do something what them never do before. If I say, for example, right, I want to be, I'm on a crusade. I'm on a crusade. I want to know what a crusade is. I want to know what a crusade is. Many church, when I want to go to church where I've only got crusades. If you come from Jamaica, you know what a crusade is.
Come man, get to the point, man. Get to the point. I hear me call the video end up so long, you know. Get to the point, man.
Us together.
Can you come like you come out here and do something but you wonder if you can do it.
You know?
When I tell you that you're not calling him. You shouldn't bother come out here then, man.
Naya, what's up?
Consider, you know. Should I go there? Because I'm afraid that the backlash will come. Him know the woman don't say I go take him on.
I know many people think it's content. I mean, no, it's not fun of you say content where I go on about the place, right? It's not content. This is outright obsession / tear down. Outright. For social media money, coins.
I remember now, you hear him say, it's all about for social media money, tear down. All about the coins. And he's saying this that if you don't listen keenly, you know, the same woman him come out in that nice good video for, about yesterday that I post this morning, which is, well, I saw now I say this now, I say yesterday like a Saturday. Well, yeah, wanna say Saturday morning. Is the same woman now, he must say somebody else I do the same thing too. Where him did occur, she for her try to address her about. So with the sense you come out here, because if a man get up every day and him full this of water and him wet up somewhere he's not supposed to wet up. You understand? And then the next man now take another bucket and wet up somewhere for him where him not supposed to wet up. Where the sense you come out here talk. If you now come out here, come put your hands up and say peace to that person, then peace to that person. It not make no sense you come out here and you come out here and talk against that person. But when tomorrow come, you talk against me like you're in defense of that same person where I've done the same thing that I have done. It not make no sense. And basically what me get from you, so, is like you come out here so against the Portlander for being aggressive against Curly. When you has realized that Curly are aggressive to others and a certain special individual, in the same video you will say the same thing that I am saying now. And with you saying that, when you reach the point there, I am going to prove it to you. Say Curly is that same person who is aggressive to that woman, no matter what all when the woman are involved. So I could continue. But just talk a little farther and fast and speed up. I don't want the video run over an hour.
You know, I swear to God, I know mostly hate me already, but that's fine. I cannot wait for the day to come where the 3 names and some more who I chose to leave out of my caption leave social media. I can't wait for that day to come.
You come with that iffy intention, man.
I cannot wait for the day to come.
The intention is to call the people
those
name and your friend.
names in my caption leave social media.
And you don't put now your caption as you say.
I don't care. I the truth. Me knows enough. A lot of you are afraid to say it. I am not afraid. I can't wait for the day to come where Curly, Porty, 360, should even Tina Chin, should even Lorraine. Let me call what I name. I can't wait for the day to come where all of them leave social media.
So why you never include yourself?
Ask me why I say it.
People do not think he should have included himself too, not because he's on a downward trend now, but you don't think he should have included himself? Because he's no better than none of whom call them name. It's just that he at this minute is on a downward trend, but for how long we don't know. So I feel like him should have fit him name in it. Trust me.
For far too long, these people, they've kept our liquor Jamaican community divided. A lot of wars, a lot of wars. Every day, as bad as 360 is, I mean, him don't come on every day and be on this war. Let's focus on Curly and Porty. Let's not focus on the rest of them. Let's focus on Curly and Porty.
They say you're straight, them man. They say you're straight. Let's focus. Focus. They say you're straight. Then I feel like
I'm a bad person, but I'm not a bad person. They are the bad people. when I say bad, I don't mean like they are bad in terms of, I mean like bad people in terms of keeping us this war going on. Bear in mind, these people are
15
in their
minutes to
50s,
12
all of them are in their
midnight.
50s.
And look who they're on live.
All of them are in their 50s.
Them are up from morning because them can't sleep comfortably, you know. You understand? Curly them can't sleep comfortable. Because curly them don't live now if you sleep comfortable. You understand? Because I want to ask a question. What are they doing? Pause, man, because you move too slow. I could have cut you off before time. Hold on. In a curly kitchen she get dressed after she bathe. I want them to notice say. In a curly kitchen she get dressed. Because at the kitchen alone having contents. Where you know the kitchen cupboard, the sink, and whatsoever. She can't rest the phone nowhere else in the bedroom or the living room or the dining room. Put on her clothes and do her life. She can't do that. You know the reason why? The whole place empty and it go echo. Me she talk about girl said our place a echo. Yes, it's true. And you can't furnish when you're ready for furnish. I chew this, chew that, chew that. You're moving a place over 2 months now and chew this, chew that. You're not furnished place. With a poor excuse. I want them to realize every time Curly says she bathe and come out and put on clothes in her kitchen she go. And in there you mirror there too. How you look through? The microwave glass? The fridge door? Me no know. Because you have the phone can't look through. So why you go in the kitchen at all times? At the only in the kitchen she can't put up her camera and put up the live where you can see the little background and see the little sitting. She can't go nowhere else that the house can put on the camera and open up to the camera like oh she will do it when she in the kitchen. I never know say in the kitchen you get dressed curly. But I realize why. Only in this have some form of contents. You understand? It have the fridge little sitting where you go buy with name, rice cooker or whatsoever, and it have the cupboard and something. No want you go in your bedroom, Curly, which part of the bed there, and show it. Same like how Curly, remember you show with the mattress, you know, and a big name mattress you have Curly. You say a big name, I don't know them the name that the foreign people them know it. But at the same time, your record is there. You don't buy nothing when it sell for the right price. You wait till the big name, something of them drop off a price and go up and sale before you buy them. You know how long you go to hide at the mattress there from it sell for the right price. And it could have drop and sale for about 2-3 times before you run go buy it. You understand? But when me I say Curly, you show with the mattress already. So you can't want to hide the bed again. So why you can't go by the bed there then where you call bedroom and put on your phone stand and do your live and do what you do and get dressed? It not look good, Curly. You spend so much money. You spend so much money on your watch. But how much you got in the bank? You spend so much money on a cologne. But what you have as savings? I don't know the Taros Riley there. Back to do it. You spend so much money on a watch and not sleeping in a bed. That the night when it comes, you not have to watch it. Curly, they're on live. Midnight. Right now at midnight, you should pass it there. See that? Curly, I live that shit there.
It's always just
and better the topic is about Planka Nation and Dana. Me not ask you.
Yes, me know say a lot of you wanna like a little bit of laughter. I like a little bit of laughter too. But this is not laughter. It's not. And whatever them thinks them are war for, whatever them thinks them are war for, whatever cause them are war for, doesn't really make sense. Most days, most of you grown people, most days, most of wanna get up, they say, okay, what are we, where we are gonna listen today? Who we are gonna bring them today?
Think about yourself back in the time when you up your son up and your pump and pride too.
You know, Porty,
And you sided with the whole of them.
Porty, you used to be a really nice person.
I tell you, say you cross-check another video here, you know.
When
You could have done 2 good consecutive videos.
Porty, you used to be a really nice
What a
person.
beauty yesterday.
I
And look
remember
at you now.
when we used to call it by your page, and we used to sing. We still look at worship a man in time. Worship, sing, read scriptures. Karaoke's.
I would eat a banana chips, but I don't got none. I got to stock up
Where did
banana
that
chips in my
which by the
snack
person
pan.
gone? Where is that person gone, Porty?
I'm going to buy a few up at the cream shop tomorrow.
I know you think
And
what
get
you're
some
doing,
snowmen.
it's content, but it's not content. This is not content, Erica. You get up every, you know, I remember when you used to come
So everyone
out
know,
here
we're
and
currently
drag
doing content.
to nothing.
Okay.
Even drag my mother. My mother had nothing to do with social media, but you dragged her because
What
you
currently
felt
is content, man?
this was the only way you could win a battle or a war. I don't know what war you was fighting, but that's how you fought your war. And when you fight very dirty. Very dirty. This is not content, Erica. You get up every day. Go and read your captions. This is past obsession.
So what you would say about Curly when you talk about? She get up, she might not caption for your video because she's not good at doing stuff like that. The main thing she can do is run come, or mix up. Because she want the crowd for run come. What if you say if you write out a little sentence, you say, boy, alright. Come listen me and cuss out 99, come do this, that she can't do it. You understand? So you're gonna say look on that woman the caption. Leave the caption outside. We could talk about the live, what has said into the lives, both parties. Eh? So how you go at one somebody, but you not go at the next person. And at the same time you do such a beautiful video upon that person yesterday. And come back now across trade. Eh?
All of those people supporting Una is obsessed too with bringing down each other, bringing down people, bringing down your sisters, your brothers. It should not take me, a cripple. It should not take me, a fully disabled man, to recognize these signs.
I even say so.
This is past obsession. Every day, Erica, you get up. Every day you get up. Kakai Masia.
The every day, Kaka I get up, she know the pandana.
Every day, Erica. Go and look at your captions, Erica. It's a fine line. It is a fine line. There is a fine line in how we do things out here. And I feel like you have not grasped those fundamental principles. Because Mafise, in fact, at this point, on our bully, you people are bullies. And a lot of you is sitting back out here and watching these people bully each other. Grown ass women and men. And you know, say, me, I'm gonna take our 360 for now. Let's remove 360 for now. Because him rarely come out here, but when he does, he does. Let's focus on Erica and Curly. Let's focus on the two of them. 360, me I give you a pass for now. I'm gonna give you a pass for now. I'm gonna give you a pass right now. Let's take you out. Let's focus on Erica and Kylie. 40, when did you become this nasty? I'm not arguing, I'm not arguing with you. I'm not arguing with nobody out here. I'm not arguing a soul. But I'm asking questions. When did you become this toxic, hateful human being? Erica, if this is the only way you can make money, I think at this point you need to give up. You need to give up, because what you're doing out here is alright. Bullying people. You are a bully. Don't you see what you do? You watch Marcia Campbell. I'm not defending Curly, because Curly too is a nasty piece of work. Yes. Nasty piece of work. A very nasty one. Very filthy. But somebody have to be the bigger person. Somebody have to be the bigger person. This is the only way it's gonna stop. Erica, for as long as I can remember, and I'm not cursing, for as long as I can remember, this is what you do. You're a bully. I don't know.
So let me ask a question. So the person that you are saying that she's bullying, wouldn't you call she a bully also? Isn't it that you has reason also to call she a bully? And she don't just only bully this such individual we know of. But she come out here and behave in a way that she bully people in general. And this is what I am saying, why it is your concern about such individual at Portland doing the same thing to she. When she's when she is the identical thing and doing the identical thing of what you are holding that person at Portland responsible for. Me no see it make no sense. Make it make sense to me. It no make none.
Don't know what went wrong with you, Porty. But this person you become was never you. Was never you. This was never you. The person I remember was so jovial, so loving, so wanting to give. Even if you're gaining too, you was willing to give. And then you become this monster.
Go on, make it get up and brush my teeth and go and baby before Curly come tell me I brush my teeth before me come on video and
I mean, no see how it cost me. But darling, I don't care. I don't care. All of those people gets up every day on your live stream just to curse out Kaka Eye, Cyclops, Jackfruit Belly. Me call her the name I wanna call her. When you get up every day.
No man, you want to call her that. Why you don't address her by her right name?
Beat her and beat till there's no beats left to beat. People, me talk to other Pamela Street right now. Me know say our numbers are very little, but that's fine. When are we gonna take a stand and say enough of this? Curly comes out most days and bullies Donegal.
Oh!
Most days Curly come out here and curse Donegal.
Oh!
I listened to 2 live streams.
Me never know they will get to that.
And it was just cursing Donegal. Her sister. From another mister, her sister. All of these women on here, I want to sister them from another mister. The one I want to know. All of you women on here, even if one is not blood related, We're still sisters because the Wallawi, even me, I'm not a sister, but I'm a brother. We've all endured struggles. The Wallawi got through a lot of struggles. Not one of us was born with gold spoons in our mouths. Not one of us. And every day what God make, every day, I swear to God, I've been analyzing the Wallawi. I really have been analyzing you people. Don't call her Erica. Make she cuss me. Don't call her no slumber. Her name is Erica. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. No disrespect. No disrespect. You know, most of you people who support Erica, I know for a fact you people are not true Plank Nation. Plank Nation are loving, peaceful people. Loving.
Hey, how when you find out that?
So giving.
How when you find out that head boy? Farmer. Oh, sorry. Farmer head boy.
Anything they see that touches their hearts. Touches their hearts. They say, let's help this person. Let's do this, let's do that. Let's build this person a home. Let's get this person some groceries. You people are not planks. Or maybe if you are planks, you people are just the ones who loves to war people. And if you people have been the driving force behind this nonsense. Me know someone will cost me. Me know.
But you
That's
must
fine.
get cussing, of course.
Curse
Because
for the right
it
reasons.
sounds like you're lean on curly side too much.
Curse
You're
me
not
for the right
talking
reasons.
general. You're lean over upon curly side. That all curly we can drop off our head.
We have all created monsters, people. We've all created monsters in ourselves. Most of us out here now are monsters. Which part will go wrong? How did we get Yassa? Oh, we get Yassa. Go and scroll Porty's captions. Everything kaka I. Mas, yeah.
Stop talk about the caption. Talk about what happened into the live. Because if I saw the case, both ways, the two of them do the same thing. Probably with somebody else. Curly do it.
It is. And if one of those people is out here bullying other people, I want to sit there and just now caw. This is not funny. This is not funny anymore. It's not funny. Corinne, do not bother. Because I realize you too are an enabler. And I'm sorry, I have to tell you are an enabler, Corinne. I have to call your name. Corinne, can I tell you something? Everything to do with Curly, you're always quick to defend Curly. But you're never here to tell Curly, you must stop. You never listen, you never tell her. Because you don't think this.
How I go on?
Shame of myself. I let myself down.
Long time you do that still.
I let myself down.
And I just know.
But every day these people every day they get up. It's this war. And Porty, I just feel like you're very cantankerous. This is
What did I
all
say
you
about
know,
the next woman?
Porty. All you know is war. Yes, you've done some good things out here. I will never take that from you, never. You've done some good things. Cooking every Sunday to feed those people. Whether or not they benefited or not, that's not my concept. I don't care. Let's look at the deed you did. Let's look at it. Let's focus on the deed you did. Cook for those people. Took a lot of valuable time to cook for those people. And for that, it's commendable. Because not many people's going to get up and do what you did. Not many's going to do it, but you did it. So for that, I would always commend you. But Porty, you have become a warmonger. You have.
So you talk about the woman where you pick up.
You have become a warmonger. A cantankerous warmonger too. All you do every day, Porty, is warn people. I feel like you are lacking something. Something is missing from your life. Is it love? I don't know. Perhaps it's love. Perhaps it is love that is missing from your life. Why you are so miserable. You think what you do.
Why me think it missing from man's life?
What you're doing is cute. It's not cute. You are a big woman. And Porty, I don't care, curse me. You are a grown-ass 50-year-old woman who should know better. You have become a thorn in social media. You have become a thorn in our people's backs. Porty, you are a miserable human being. You see, misery loves company. You know, people who hate themselves, they love to get up every day and hate other people. I don't care if you think you're doing content. This is not content.
Then what? Cantankerous. I'm not content people with cantankerous, not content. Cantankerous. You understand? Yes, man.
Content is meant to be happy. Content is meant to be jovial, peaceful, cute. Make people want to laugh. For good reasons, not bad reasons. Every day you get a Porty, you come out here to bring down your sister.
Who are
that
sister?
Woman, Kakai, is your sister. Sorry. I don't care if she's from different parentage. I don't care.
How are they Rasta, Johnny?
I don't care.
Tell us, the man cross straight.
If she's from different parentage.
Cause if you come out here come talk, if you come out here come talk these people.
Jamaica says out of many one people.
After such a good video yesterday, him come out here come and chat this.
In that same breath, Porty, we are one. One.
After such a good video, you cross trade and come out here and chat this. What? Porty call you, what's your name? Kakai call you behind closed door. Cause she love the things closed behind closed door, you know. And rocks you up. Kakai drape you up. I can't the same Kakai this so you come out of school yesterday. Me can't believe. You know say that person is like that, but you come out here school somebody will deal with that the same way like how she deal with somebody else. Only listen to these people before the video done, cause it go done. A Kakai list, only listen. The person we might pick up for, listen this.
And I'm gonna make sure my train come out here and piss her off. Tell Big Sour 99 to go sit down and go pay her blood clot tax. Big Sour Dana 99, Planka boss. Go do me a favor, when you come out of morning time, wash your blood clot case and go wash your crotch before you come address me. Pay your blood clot taxes, state, federal, before you come address me. You just come here, sit your blood clot down. You have a green card for less than 3 months. I have American passport over 40 years.
That's all you have in life.
Part of my blood clot, Dana. You can't chat to me and your big pussy followers them. Go.
So, you don't understand what I talk about? That is the woman where him a talk about. Him a go at somebody else where I go at she. When she a do the same thing. So you see what I understand me say him cross trade after that nice beautiful video that he has done yesterday. And the same person this, you know. Where it's like, I would even say it's like where him in defense of, you know. But him only address it up like him work at clinic. You work at some government clinic, you say you work at all government places in England, you know. So it come like you work at some government clinic, you address this now. But we know say you come out strong for Curly after do what you do yesterday. You feel like you go at Curly too hard yesterday, so you come now because you don't want Curly call you and cuss you or go up on our platform and cuss you out. A curly this, you know. You just hear a style woman, you know. And all when Dana big and no flying and follow Dana. I true she catch a fly them by surprise one day when the camera drop. Because if she never catch a fly them by surprise and the fly them they there lurks long time, probably when she just reach there. Because probably anywhere she go, Marcia go fly good and follow there, you know. Because Marcia nasty. Marcia just know what it is to bathe. That's why she come out upon social media continue to tell people to go bathe. Because she just know what it is to go bathe. Marcia never somebody regular go a bathroom. And since winter gone last year to this year, me see Marcia going to bathroom. When me know Marcia back then, me not see Marcia going to bathroom. No cure late she dep on live, no cure early. You know, here she say she go bathe and go a bathroom or nothing at all. But now she a take you to bathroom on live. You understand? No, she a take you to bathroom on live. So Marcia never know what bathing is concerned. All Marcia know, you know, is to wipe up, you know. Wet a rag and now 2 wipes on cheap enough now. She just take wipes and wipe up as we see she do many times in her van. Right now if you're looking at Marcia van, the amount of empty wipes packet supposed to in a Marcia van. Because wipes is what Marcia used to. She wipe up to change the top. She wipe up, she put on makeup. She take the wipes, she wipe off the makeup. Wipes can't take off makeup. Probably can't take off the top piece that yes, and she put on fresh makeup again. And wipes Marcia used to. So when you hear Marcia come out here talk about beard, and who no beard, and who for brush teeth, and who for wash face. As me say, Marcia, you can't come out here and don't do that. Because why? You will have to buy a phone on a regular basis. Because all the phone screen would have crack up. You can't wake up and ducks gum on your life with all matter in your eye. Because you know it's an awful sight for anybody. If it's an awful sight to see your own self in the mirror, much less the people see you. It's not a pretty sight. So don't grudge Dana because she can wake up and look lookable upon the life with a matter in her eye or matter not in her eye. Or she not have on no makeup and she not have on no wig. You can't do that. You have to honor your mask. I mean, I don't know why so much things have to depend on you for mask your ugliness. Your tan bad look what you have. I don't know why you have to, because your ear have to hide it. Your big old goggles with that night or day dark glasses. This whole heap of makeup. Wake up, me tell you, say me I give you the challenge. The Just Wake challenge. $500 you come for your life. No bathroom. No brush teeth, no wash face, nothing at all. Just wake up and click live and make us see you. Not even a supporter them. Well, the numbers might be because from them go on the live. But me can't tell you to them now look on the phone screen and look on you. Because them don't want to see them the site they were for early morning. Oh.
One, and every day you get up and putting you war with Marcy Campbell.
So she now war with Dana every day in a year.
Putting, you have even got
Clear their face to it.
Job. You've even got her thrown out of a job. You've called marks on her. That is not funny.
Everything that bad said for the she. Everything. That stage I'm reach right now.
And it's going to be your last time you come on here and drag anyone or curse anyone
a
or
lie, your daddy.
Disrespectful to anyone. You know why? Because one thing is surety to all of us. And Mito, the cripple from England. One thing is
everybody know that. Everybody know that. You don't need to educate nobody about that. Everybody know that.
That woman, you could have taken that time to do something more constructive, something more meaningful. Keyword, meaningful, will make sense. Why don't you
tell your friend Curly the same thing? Cause it coming like say, she called her behind closed door. Tell her the same thing. If you go do something meaningful in her life, her 40 years that she brag about of being a citizen of America, tell her if you go do something meaningful with the short time we she have left before she reach for retirement. Yes, man. Tell her if you go do something meaningful. You come out here nice yesterday, but come no cross trade. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Speak my mind, people. Bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. You don't know what to do. It is so easy. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up and hit the video. And please to watch your ads. Continue to support Life is a Mission TV. And remember, when you don't see this video, go over to Life is a Mission TV. Who subscribe and who not subscribe yet, just run go subscribe. Tomorrow at 3 o'clock. Somewhere there and about, if wife in a hold me down and me oversleep, I will be releasing the purchasing and delivering of that deep freeze that I promised the Toil Basic School. And thanks to the few people who come on board. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That's why I say I want supporter, I don't want no fans. You understand? Because if you have a platform, whether a small platform, a big flat platform, or a medium-sized platform, and you have people who say them like what you do, them cheer you on, them watch you. We don't say we are bound nobody, because as I said, they have not run a charity. But if you are doing something and they said they support you, and for who can afford to send whether a $5 or $10 towards the cause, come on. You understand? So I have to say kudos to the people, the handful of people who reach out and make it happen with my little where I put. Bless upon yourself, when you know yourself, I don't have to single out on the name. Blessings to you all, and blessings to all who never have to send, and blessings to who never get a chance to send, and blessings to who would have probably send something on another occasion gone already and did not get to send. On no feeling where me at me just say in general, this is what we want. Support. You understand? Support, support, support. So tomorrow, just go subscribe if you're not subscribed to Life is a Mission TV at 3 o'clock. That video will take you when we get a little scene of downtown shopping area and the street side vending. You know, a little piece of Coronation Market side or the jelly man them do it or what they may hear them talk about it, and them gonna put a stoppage to it. It stay bad. Really and truly. And plus, you know, when you see a little part of where I go on. I did buy this fridge at a store that Dana normally shop. You're not supposed to know the name, Rockland. That's what was not the plan. But the driver did kind of piss me off when me and him arrange and stuff. Somebody me know and whatsoever. And then I go and I came home. And up to today, up to now, he no call me. So some was an idiot. Me I give you a work because me know you. Me organize with you because me don't want to sit down at town and run up and down here. So me just want to know, so me just do me I jump back in something me know. We're ready and waiting for me to come at me yard. And you're going to want me sit down at town when you're going to do 5, 6, 7 work and you're not tell me, say, alright, 5 minutes me did it, 10 minutes me did it. You just want to hold me up because if you have to hold me 5 hours to get the work, that not work with me. I don't have time to waste. Time is money. Time is essential. So me end up just, when me make the call to find out who him there, I walk go down a little further and I just see the store Rockland and I say, right, that's one nice store than I buy now. I just run going there. 45,000. Me ask him best price, him say 45,000. So I say, alright, that's the best price in me. How much are the best price? Where you give Dana? Dana send you? I say, not really. But Dana make me know your store. Dana make me come here. You understand? Him say, alright. And like when I say give him 40. I said, no, give me a better price. Give me Dana price. Him say, alright, I give you 40. And I just buy it and things. So when we say all of that over there, oh, I must tell you now, because me get so pissed off from my driver. When I time, couple of times, the angle of the camera turn back and front and back way and down up. So when you now watch the video, when you might stay so I watch the video and then you see like it just flip So all you have to do is turn on the phone, just work with the flow. Alright? Bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Stay strong.